Good afternoon. This is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining. We are at 782 95th Ave, Naples, Florida. We are going to be looking at the repair that we made. As you can see on the screen, the purple stuff on the pipe is purple primer from gluing the pipe together. Starting at that point there, till we get to the end of the liner, which I'll point out, was all Orangeburg tar paper pipe before. And we had to excavate the floor and replace that section of pipe. So I'm going to start pulling this back. I'm going to push forward, actually first. Right here is the clean out. They put in order to pass inspection, they put a test ball right here and only tested from this point this way so as to pass inspection. I'm guessing if they even did inspection. That's why there's a clean out there. But starting right here at this glue joint, going about 6-7 feet, was all Orangeburg. There's the first 2 feet. Let's go back. This here is 2 feet. That there was 2 more feet. That there is about 18 inches. Then we turn a 22. They had no angles in here. It was connected straight. And they did not have a fernco. They just pushed the PVC kind of inside the Orangeburg. What was done made no sense at all. But we're going to keep going. We're at a 22-degree angle there. And then we're going to come back a little bit more. Right here is the beginning of our lining. That's another 18 inches. So we've got 2 foot, 2 foot, 18 inches, to make up the whole pipe that we replaced. This is the part of the pipe that we lined. This is actually old cast iron, which, per the agreement, was supposed to be removed. This is another 4 feet right here. So we're at 2, 4, 6, 8 feet 4 inches, plus 48 inches of lining is 4 feet. So that's 12 feet 4 inches of lining, just to cover the pipe that wasn't done. And then we're going to turn this corner right here, and then you see it start white again. This is a rotary formed lining, liquid lining, and that is underground. Now we're turning and starting to go vertical. And we're coming up to the up to the top of the toilet. This flange here was broken and leaking all over the floor. Then we came down here, and this first connection right here was primered but never glued, so it was loose. And then as we continued down, there was some funky thing done right here with what looked like a piece of rubber pipe. And this rubber pipe had been shoved inside of 4-inch cast iron. And then we hit the 90 right here where we actually go underground. So we put we did a lining coating all the way to the main connection, all the way up. You see some rust right there because I was using a cast iron pipe to kind of direct where the brushes were going to keep from splattering all over the bathroom, and I picked up some of that rust and transferred it to the lining. But as you can see, as we get higher up, that rust wore off, and it's 2 layers. We're about a millimeter and a half thick on this. So this is going to be good and strong for a very long time. We're sealed. And then you have a new toilet flange that actually bolts to the ground so that it can hold the toilet stable. Now, again, this is Sean with trenchless pipe lining. We are at 82.95. 8295 North 95th Ave in Naples, Florida. And that was about 8 feet of replacement pipe, 4 feet of lining, and another 3 feet of lining going up going to the toilet. So all in all, there's 7 feet of lining. There's 8 feet of PVC replacement in order to make this functional again.